What if I told you that within 72 hours of skipping sleep, your brain starts literally eating itself? We all know sleep is important, but what if you simply stopped? What would happen to your mind, your body, your very sanity? This video pulls back the curtain on the terrifying, irreversible damage inflicted by chronic sleep deprivation, revealing exactly how long you'd last and the horrific symptoms you'd experience if you never closed your eyes again. The answers will make you rethink every late night. Within the first 24 to 48 hours of continuous wakefulness, the human body experiences significant cognitive degradation. Reaction time slows to the equivalent of someone with a blood alcohol content of 0.1%, exceeding the legal limit for driving in many places. Attention span severely diminishes, and the ability to make complex decisions or solve problems becomes profoundly impaired. Memory formation and recall also suffer drastically, making new learning nearly impossible. As wakefulness extends beyond 2 days, involuntary microsleeps begin, lasting from a fraction of a second to several seconds, during which the brain briefly shuts down. These episodes occur without warning, leading to disorientation and potentially dangerous situations. Mood swings become severe, often escalating into extreme irritability, anxiety, and even symptoms resembling clinical depression. Reaching the 72-hour mark without sleep often ushers in a state of profound psychological distress, including vivid hallucinations and paranoid delusions. Individuals may struggle to distinguish reality from imagination, perceiving non-existent objects, sounds, or events. The brain's executive functions, responsible for planning and self-control, are severely compromised, leading to irrational behavior. Beyond 3 to 4 days, the body's physiological systems start to show severe signs of breakdown. The immune system becomes critically suppressed, significantly increasing susceptibility to infections and illnesses. Studies indicate a reduction in natural killer cells, essential for fighting off viruses and cancer, after just 1 night of total sleep deprivation. Prolonged wakefulness fundamentally disrupts the body's hormonal balance. Levels of cortisol, the primary stress hormone, remain elevated, contributing to increased blood pressure and inflammation. Hormones regulating hunger, like ghrelin and leptin, become dysregulated, leading to increased appetite and a higher risk of metabolic disorders, including type 2 diabetes. The brain's glymphatic system, responsible for clearing metabolic waste products that accumulate during wakefulness, becomes inefficient without adequate sleep. Toxins, such as amyloid beta, implicated in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, build up. This accumulation further impairs cognitive function and neuronal health. Sleep is crucial for the consolidation of memories, transferring information from short-term to long-term storage. Without sleep, this process fails, preventing the brain from integrating new experiences and learning effectively. The brain's ability to reorganize and prune neural connections, vital for cognitive flexibility, also ceases. Experimental studies on animals, particularly rats, indicate that total sleep deprivation inevitably leads to death, typically within 11 to 32 days. While ethical constraints prevent similar experiments on humans, the genetic disorder fatal familial insomnia provides a human parallel. This condition progressively destroys the brain's ability to sleep, leading to total insomnia and death within 7 to 36 months. In the advanced stages of total sleep deprivation, the body enters a state of extreme catabolism, breaking down its own tissues for energy. Organ systems, including the cardiovascular and gastrointestinal systems, begin to fail under the sustained stress. The body's core temperature regulation becomes erratic, further exacerbating physiological decline. Ultimately, sustained total sleep deprivation results in systemic organ failure and death. The specific direct cause can vary, often involving immune collapse, overwhelming infection, or cardiovascular events triggered by extreme physiological stress. The absence of sleep is universally recognized as incompatible with long-term human survival. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.